Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We will talk about framework Micronaut. It's a new framework similar to Spring Framework, but it is more performance and we can use for the microservice and web application. So we see what is the difference between Spring Boot and Micronaut. So I do some compare with the Spring and Micronaut. So let's start with the Spring. It's widely used framework and provides most of the integration with other libraries. So it's used for many companies and developers, and we can do integration with many libraries like MongoDB because we can see it's huge framework. After its wider community, so its many communities support Spring and provide reactive programming with the Spring Web. So Spring can support multi-language like Java, Kotlin, Groovy. Finally, call startup time and memory usage is not suitable for serverless code application like Lambda function. Now we see Micronaut. It's called native framework for the web application and microservice. And we can do compile time reflection. After we have the minimal call startup time and memory use. It's reactive state. It's like Spring. We can support multi-language like Java, Groovy, Kotlin. And it's similar to Spring. So if I open spring.eu, I find some support here. I can learn. I have here some project, and for the Micronaut, I have this support. I can do download. I can learn the Micronaut from this site. So in the next video, we will see how we can set up the first Micronaut application. Thanks and see you in the next video.